Hi, I'm Ha from eJOY English Learning Support Team. For the past 3 years, we've heard so many of you share that you're learning English with YouTube, BBC, VOA, TED Talk, but your English has not been improved as expected. The main reason is that you don't know how to practice speaking and listening with videos. Instead of watching many videos, you only need to study carefully with a video. A German psychologist Hermann pointed out that after 1 hour, we forget 50% what we just watched. After 1 week, we forget 80%. And after 1 month, we forget 90%. In addition, if you only skim through the videos without practicing carefully, you're likely to forget everything you watched in just a month. Don't worry that learning with a video will only teach you a situation, because researchers have shown that 90% of vocabulary in a conversation will be repeated in different dialogues. So, what you learn carefully in a video will be applicable to many different contexts. So, how to study carefully with a video? First, make sure that you like the video you want to learn from, or the video content is relevant to your life. And now you can start learning with videos right on the eJOY app. Based on user difficulties, we have developed features that help you to practice speaking, listening, learning vocabulary easily. First, choose the YouTube video you want to learn and connect it to eJOY. eJOY helps you understand the video content through dual subtitles. Look up words while watching, and use AI to explain new concepts. After that, eJOY helps you practice English skills with the content through exercises. Each video has 5 exercises to help you practice speaking and listening skills. You can choose to practice all the exercises or 1 hour 5 exercises, depending on the skill you want to improve. The active listening exercise helps you actively listen. You might think you understood, but you may miss a lot, such as plurals, past tense, or words that are not clearly pronounced. This exercise is not just for understanding, but also for catching those little mistakes you might make while listening, so you can adjust your listening skills. To practice, you'll listen without being subtitles.
That's for old people like my parents.
Then guess the content and vocabulary. After that, the app will display the correct subtitles.
That's funny.
The next one is quiz. Complete the sentence. The sentences are scrambled for you to either use your grammar knowledge to rearrange them correctly, or use your listening skills to learn how to form sentences correctly.
Are you adept at Excel?
Not really.
The third one is shadow, helping you practice listening and speaking skills. You may forget all the other techniques, but shadowing is the one you must remember to speak English fluently. Shadowing is imitating as closely as possible to the original version. This is also a technique that every child uses to learn their native language. They listen and try to imitate what they hear from those around them. You will listen to the original video clip.
Are you adept at Excel?
Then mime it. You adapt at Excel, and eJOY will score and point out your mistakes. If you're just starting to speak English, your pronunciation may not be perfect, but don't worry too much. Just like children, when they first learn to speak, they often speak unclearly and incorrectly. But with enough listening and speaking practice, they'll speak correctly. The next exercise is write, recognizing letters and completing sentences. You'll listen to the audio.
That's very good.
Then write out what you hear.
That's very good.
This helps you recognize difficult sounds or the sounds that are often missed, such as plural sounds S, ES, ED function words like and the. The final and most challenging exercise is roleplay, immersing yourself in the video character to speak smoothly at the right speed, intonation, swallowing, and linking sounds. Amy says you are trained in technology. That's very good. Are you adept at Excel? No. PowerPoint? No. Publisher? Not really. Exactly in what area of technology are you proficient? Snapchat, Pinterest, Instagram, Vine, Twitter, you know the big ones. I'm surprised you didn't say Facebook.
That's for old people like my parents.
That's all about learning English with videos. Check out the links on the description box to download the eJOY app. Happy learning to you!